Good morning, world. Good morning, world. Getting a late start on the day. It's probably like 6:30 in the morning or so. But I think it's going to be a good day today. Even though it rained all night and it's been raining all morning, I think the weather's going to break and we're going to get a little bit of sun soon. Let's get this day started, shall we? Seems like one always escapes in the morning. Now, because we've had so much rain the past couple days, this is going to be a slippery, muddy mess. Oh man, this is Mosquito City right here. So I don't know if you can hear me over this raging waterfall, but this is kind of like my local swim hole. I'm not going to jump in right now because, well, I'm not really dressed for it, and I don't feel like getting wet. So normally I jump from there down in, I go down, I climb out over there, I hike up across here over to that point, and then I jump off there down in. Okay, now one thing I am stoked to tell you guys about is today I purchased my ticket from Kauai to Denver. I'm leaving in the middle of July to go through hike the Colorado Trail. So it's 100% official now. I've purchased the plane ticket. Now I know these things can change at the drop of a hat, especially with this whole COVID pandemic going on, but for right now it looks like everything's kind of starting to open up, and you know, I'm gonna limit my exposure to towns, and I think I'm gonna try to mail myself resupply boxes, so when I do go into towns I can just mask up, kind of hit the post office, bounce in, bounce out, get out of Dodge, and you know, limit my exposure to other people. That's kind of the current plan anyway, and you know, I'm still a month and a half out, 2 months out from this. But the other awesome news is that several of my friends from 2018 from the Appalachian Trail are going to be joining me. Like, we're all going to be out there together to start off the trail. And I'm super stoked about that, man, because, you know, those people became like family to me. So, woohoo! All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in to my 7-day daily vlog. I may do another one. Maybe I'll start doing this once a month or something. It was fun, but it was also it kind of got me into the swing of like editing daily, you know, which is what I'm gonna have to start doing if I'm doing through hikes. So yeah, it was a good practice, good nice little run, and thanks for tuning in, everyone. Make sure you guys subscribe because I have a lot of videos upcoming and a ton of hikes. Like I mentioned already, I'm doing a through hike of the Colorado Trail in like another month and a half. And in another week, I'm gonna go hike into Waimea Canyon here on the west side of Kauai. So tune in, I got a bunch more backpacking gear reviews coming up. And I thank all of you for your support. You guys rock.